So today we're at the Lion Inn, Blakey Ridge. I'd describe it as North Yorkshire's version of Tan Hill. Pub high up. Yeah, it's got a lot of character to it. I think I might stay here for my birthday. So yeah, today we're going to do the old train track loop around, possibly up to Rosedale Abbey, but we don't know. We might cut it short a bit because that's a 11 miler. So we might, there's a plan B route and a plan A route. The plan B route's like 8.5 miles, so likelihood is we'll do that and miss Rosedale Abbey, but we'll see how we do. Time is half one. Gets dark at like 6 o'clock now, doesn't it? So what's that, 4.5 hours or something. So yeah, if we go onto the railway, Rosedale Railway south. So now we're on the old railway line. Choo choo! Thomas the Tank Engine rolled into town. See great views across the valley. This goes like all the way round like that. So we should rattle off some miles pretty quickly, I think. It's all just like paths like that so far.
I don't believe you wanted to do that. Only me.
An old railway house or station thing. I think we're really going to soak up a nice bit of history on this walk. So I'll Google it all later and put it on as a voiceover. Read it straight from Wiki. No, what I do is I get it from Wiki and then put it in ChatGPT and go reword it slightly different. So all those voiceovers, it's probably not my own words, but it doesn't matter who said them first. I'm just passing on my wisdom. Just coming around the other side now. I think you can see over there Blakey Ridge, the Lion Inn, where we've come from. And we're making some good progress here. Like I said, this track is just, you can go fast as you like. Sarah's bombing ahead. But yeah, enjoying it so far. It's just nice bit of walking this. Just pretend you're on a train. Medic! Warning, Class A drugs. Iron kilns. The massive kilns in the distance were built in the 1860s to process ironstone which had been mined from beneath the moor to the east. After calcining, what the hell is that? Roasting the ironstone was transported by Moorland Railway to blast furnaces in Teesdale and County Durham. I can't be arsed reading the rest. Oh, what's this? Living amongst industry, working from home. Up the hill in front of you are the remains of cottages and workshops where the miners and railway workers lived. The mine entrances were on the upper level so that the ironstone could be tipped easily into the kilns from above. Very little now remains of what was once a busy complex of structures, terraces and buildings, but imagine raising a family here in the noise and dust of machinery. Oh, old man Thompson. Oh no, was that? Yeah, I thought it wasn't recording. Old man Thompson, the Rosedale miners. Look at that, that's quite impressive, isn't it? So we're 4 miles in. It seems like a good enough place to have a break. So I think we're nearly halfway. It's a shame we haven't got enough time to go to Rosedale Abbey, but it's 3:15 now. I think we'll just be pushing it. Shame. Should have just got up a couple of hours earlier, but we're quite lazy. The Rosedale Railway in North Yorkshire played a crucial role in the 19th century ironstone mining industry within the region. Stretching over a distance of 19.5 miles, this railway was exclusively used for transporting goods and linked Battersby Junction to the remote Rosedale Valley, which held abundant iron ore deposits. Originally, it operated as a narrow gauge railway reaching the top of Ingleby Incline in 1858, and later underwent conversion to standard gauge while being extended to Rosedale West in 1861. Unfortunately, the railway ceased operations in 1929. Stone kilns. The weathered stone giant was once at the heart of a sprawling industrial complex. Rosedale's East Mines began operation around 1863-64. The following year the branch railway to Blakey Junction was completed, but before ironstone was sent to the blast furnaces it was roasted in these huge kilns. Yeah, I can't be bothered reading anymore. Right. Oh, kill you. I think this is where we get off. Passengers get off. I mean, it must have kept on going round, I guess, somewhere. Yeah. In loving memory of John Henry Dent, 13th of September 1943, 2nd to the 2nd of July 2020. Proud to serve his country and his community, a true friend of the Dale. Innit? So just cutting across the valley now to the other side before the big climb. Not looking forward to the big climb, like, but it has to be done. 3 miles back now, I've worked out. Should be back by 5:15.
Cute little bed for breakfast.
It's lovely. Insta horse, how's it going? No, he's like, what the hell? He's looking at the camera going, what the fuck? They know, don't they? They know. Just at the other side of the valley now, just snaking our way up this little trail before the steep incline. Back up to Blakey Ridge and finish back at the Lion Inn. And I've heard they do black sheep. Hope so. Look at all this. is where you need your Altberg boots. Best boots going, Altberg Tetherer. Best boots I've ever owned. Indestructible. It's the harsh realities of hiking. But you get yourself a good pair of boots. It's money well spent. The final ascent, so it'll just be me heavy breathing. I had a few comments saying I breathe dead loud, but I think when you got when you're right next to the mic and you're going up a hill, you can't help it. It just over amplifies everything. So heavy breathing, warts and all, it's all part of it. I will get fitter. This is my fitness journey back. After having a long summer layoff with a moon boot on. 21, we're back on the old railway path. So should be about five minutes away from the pub. That's a welcome sight. Oh god, that was hard work climbing that bank. Time is 5:30 and we're back at the Lion Inn. So yeah, no words really, that was fucking awesome. Had everything that hike. Give it a 9.5.